This is the K9 build at the moment. A bit of a mess in here, but well, what I've done is I've stripped down a monitor to its bare bones and built it into the side of K9. But I've got a frame there of the original thing, but I've got to add along the bottom as well to finish it off. Bit big, but and so what I've done is attach that monitor now with a VGA cable just to a little netbook down there. I mean, the video's pausing a bit at the moment. That's because it's decided it wanted to download some updates. Nah, let's see where it takes me.